So there are three unbreakable rules of pitching content. One is storytelling. Two is it must be emotional. And three, it must be memorable. Many times our pitches sound like lectures and not like stories. The idea is that people like to hear stories, but people don't like to be lectured to. If you have the option of watching a short movie or going to a lecture, what will you choose? You would rather listen to the story. I remember when we were younger, once you hear the statement once upon a time, you are relaxed. You are ready to hear an intriguing story. So the people should feel like they are here for both enjoyment and education and not like we are here for a lesson. And that's why, if you notice, the segues in my own slides were very, continuous or very coherent. I didn't say, now, this is the problem. I didn't say this is the solution. Some people will say what you're supposed to be seeing on this slide is all those things. Take out from the fact that it's a story. Two, it must be emotional. Everybody feels they're logical, but everybody makes decisions emotionally and then find a reason to justify that logic. So once you are liked, people will find a reason to try and justify the fact that they want to do business with you. And three, it must be memorable. Once they leave the place or once they leave where you are, they should be able to remember you and remember the story you told and remember how they felt when you were telling the story and be able to replicate or tell them a part of what you said. So most times you see scouts who come and analyze businesses and take it to their venture partners to listen to. The person listening must be able to go back to the venture partner and explain the vision in the same or similar passion to what you had, because he caught the passion when you were speaking. He felt emotional about it, and he actually remembered what you said. The problem is that many times people say a lot of things, but when people finish, they don't have anything to hold on to. So always remember, when you're giving your pitch, storytelling is key. It has to be emotional. It has to be memorable. So what we need to also note is that every story pertains to people. It doesn't matter what you are doing, be it an environmental business, be it climate change, be it whatever it is. The reason you are in that business is because it affects people. And so there are three basic things that must be in every story.